welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok following problem. So let's say you're trying to follow people in TikTok but you're just not able to. TikTok is just not letting you follow them. Well, in that case, you guys can follow the step which I'm going to show you in order to fix it. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Now most people, they do not know this, but if you're following a lot of account in a limited number of time, then TikTok is going to think you are a bot, or it's going to think your account is hacked. So in a simple term, TikTok has a limit. TikTok only allows you to follow 200 accounts per day. So if you're trying to follow more than 200 accounts in a day, then TikTok is going to think you are doing something suspicious. That's why it's going to pause your following capability, which means for 24 hours, you're not going to be able to follow anybody. So to fix this problem, just wait for 24 hours, and after 24 hours, you can follow other people. So remember, the daily limit is 200. So if you are trying to cross that limit, you cannot. You have to wait for 24 hours. And there's also another limit. The daily limit is 200, but the hourly limit is 30 to 20 accounts, which means within an hour, you can only follow 20 to 30 accounts. So if you're trying to just spam follow every single person, then TikTok is going to stop you from that, because TikTok is again going to think that's a bot behavior. That's why it's going to do that. And even after multiple warning, if you guys keep on doing that, then you guys have a risk of getting your TikTok account banned. So the easiest way to solve this problem is just try to follow less than 200 accounts per day. And don't try to follow more than 10 accounts within an hour, alright? The max is 15, don't try to go above 15 within an hour, and you should be good to go. That's how you guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.